Well, good afternoon and welcome to the Idahoan Show. I had this old bench grinder that quit working on me. The wheels would spin freely enough by hand when the power was off, but when I turned it on, the wheels would lock up and the grinder would make this electrical growling noise. So I was thinking that maybe the brushes were bad, or maybe there was just enough dirt in the commutator to start shorting it out. So I figured I'd take it apart and see if I could fix it. However, upon disassembly, I discovered that the grinder used a brushless induction motor, which should be immune to all the problems I had suspected based on the symptoms. Thus, I just gave the motor a superficial cleaning and put everything back together. Upon reassembly, the grinder was restored to full functionality. And interestingly enough, this seems to be a fairly common trend with power tools. It's certainly not the first time that I've taken apart a piece of equipment hoping to fix it, only to discover that there didn't seem to be anything wrong with it, whereupon I put it back together and it worked great for the next decade. Anyway, in this case, the grinder had died on me at kind of an inconvenient time, and so I'd actually already bought and installed a replacement for it. Thus, once I got this one working again, I built a pedestal for it and decided to turn it into a buffer. So this buffer is now the latest addition to my shop equipment. Anyway, until next time, thank you for watching the Idahoan Show.